What's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Good from time. We got another quick and simple POV for y'all, man. We is back driving a Chrysler 300s at night in the motherfucking rain, man. So y'all already know the vibes, man. This gonna be a cool little slow little drive. You feel what I'm saying? Ain't gonna be nothing too motherfucking crazy. You feel what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers by January 1st, man. So make sure y'all keep hitting that fucking subscribe button. Keep showing love on the videos. You feel what I've been saying? Been dropping content every fucking day to try to hit this motherfucking 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the drive, man. Let's get straight to it. And just in case if I don't see none of y'all again on the channel, man, well, wish y'all happy holidays, happy New Year's, things of that nature, man. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go into 2025 on a positive note, hitting that 1K. And shit, it's like January 14th right now. I say December 14th right now is that time for y'all to start getting y'all vision boards up. And you feel me? Seeing what y'all goals is for the next year, man. Get straight to it. Start working. Let's make this shit the best year possible. Real talk. Alright, y'all. If y'all enjoy this POV, man, and y'all fuck with the Chrysler 300s, man, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know what I said. Like I told y'all, another short little POV. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.